how are you all doing? Thank you for your love and support. We really, really appreciate you. If today is the first time you are coming across us, or you are seeing this face for the first time, please do it to like our videos and share. In this platform, we react to all videos and your opinion is highly needed. So please sit back, watch this video carefully, drop your opinion in the comment section, and I'll be right back.
Don't know Nigeria. They don't know anything about the Nigeria system. They don't even know anything about Fulani. So today, I am taking you to a journey of what Fulani is all about and what Fulani has done. And there is something I want to correct. From the secret document available to us, when you are hearing that Fulani have conquered Hausa people, you think it happened after 1960. No, it is not after 1960. Because this particular report from Lord Lugard, dated as far back as 1902, suggests that northern Nigeria was being ruled by Fulanis. So, and I'm going to take you down to the Fulani rule of northern Nigeria as far back as 1902 and 1890 something. Now, I want to tell you that as far back as 1902, the pattern and the Fulani system of rule have not changed to today. It has been stagnant. That is the problem of Nigeria. So we want those clamoring for presidency. How are they going to change these 200 years of Fulani rulership system? How is a new president going to change it? How is election going to change it? I want to be very practical. We educate you here with evidence, with something that is, reality. We don't come here with propaganda. Okay? Now, I want to open your eyes. We are not going to waste time in this broadcast so that P2B and his group will take up this challenge. And like I said, if they don't take up the challenge, we are going to start blocking anybody that will make comment about P2B. They think that he is going to be a distraction to Biafra struggle. We will grind him and his presidential ambition when they are coming to distract Biafra struggle. Now that Biafra struggle have entered a different dimension, they are coming with distraction. But we are going to tell them that, God have given them their march, and their march is going to be the autopilot of IPOB under the leadership of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. I want you to understand that people are complaining, oh, when are we going to get this Biafra? People have died. People are dying. People died because wrong people were in the struggle. People died because wrong people, criminals, who never wanted Biafra, who don't have anything to offer, they were in charge, deceiving Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. They surrounded Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, and they were never real. And Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, noticing this, started crying. I need 100 men to get Biafra. I need 100 men. Just God provide 100 men. God provide. He started crying for 100 men. So those of you who say that, the people have died too much in this Biafra, let us do this. Yes, people have died because wrong people have been in the helm of affair of the Biafra movement. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu cannot change that alone. So I told Nigeria government that the kidnap of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will be the beginning of Biafra. How many of you remember that? How many of you? The kidnap of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have opened the road and opened the door for Biafra to come. I told them. And okay, may have Vumunanya. So let us go there. I want everyone to watch. I am taking you to the Fulani rulership system. What you don't know. One moment. have sense? Can celebrity advise you? Can P Square be qualified as a PA to any politician? Their politician will nosedive and enter grave the next day. If Peter Okoye P Square become a PA to any local government chairman, that local government chairman will lose his seat because he don't have the brain to advise on how to rule, on how to govern. The same thing goes to the one they call macaroni. The same thing goes to those one they call Angidon. I saw the one they call Angidon. Angidon gathering people. Come, I will pay 50,000. Go and give you those voters card. Bring the Angidon. He says he's a celebrity in Biafra land. Bring him. Let him come and tell us why is he supporting P2B? What is it that he thinks P2B is going to do? He knows nothing. That somebody carry mic and sing, oh, Mazinam the car, no, is this, oh, this and that. Does it make him have sense? He doesn't have sense. If he has sense, he would know that supporting one Nigeria and supporting election is the last thing he can do as a human being. So I challenge all the celebrities, including the one they call, what is the name? What is the one, the one that is organizing? Let them come and tell us how they want to do this Nigeria. Because what we know, they don't know it. This is not the leadership and rulership and the governance is not singing. It is not baby oku, oringo. No. The only thing you can do is to gather people who love you. Come, this guy is a very good singer. He's a celebrity. Celebrity, what can your celebrity do to a system of government? What can your celebrity do to economy? I am calling on all these stupid celebrities. They don't have sense. They have no single brain in them. So when I hear people telling me, you see, I don't, when I hear people say, oh, the celebrities are supporting P2B, all of them are there, the answer celebrity, this, that. Oh my goodness. Are the people you are following? And the celebrities, the people that want to decide for you? Celebrities don't know what is governance. They don't know what is politics. They don't even know the system of Nigeria. They are completely ignorant of the system of Nigeria. That is why we are going to stand on our ground. Because how can we go to school, learn how to read, learn how to research, learn how to analyze, and it is ordinary celebrities that are just singing that will come and make decision that we should follow Nigeria. Hey, it is an insult. It's an insult to many of us. When you hear people talking about it, it's an insult. Is it Peter Okoye, P Square, that will now come and say, oh, Simon Ekpa, you need to stop. You need to support P2B. Hey, it means that I am the biggest fool. It means that all the thing I have done in this life is a waste. Because how can a P Square, how can P Square convince me about Nigeria? What is he going to use to convince me? First of all, he don't even know what it is. I am challenging them. Because the only way you can know whether they know what they were doing or whether they know what they are doing now is to challenge them to debate. That is why when you want to have an election, like P2B now and all of them, they are going to go to presidential debate. Okay? They will have presidential debate. So anybody that is supporting election in Nigeria should come and engage us. We are open. We have thrown the invitation open. Reach us. Either through your official social media. Say, Simon Ekpa, we accept your challenge. Let us have a debate. Why Biafra must support Nigeria for the last, let's even say for the last time. And if you cannot do that, all of you are cowards. So we want you to challenge us and take this challenge and come and convince millions. Because Biafra will never, election can never take place in Biafra land. So come and convince us why we must now go to this election. It is not just about coming to say, oh, P2B is going to win. P2B is going to win is not agenda. It is not a policy. It is not a strategy. It is not a strategy. So that P2B is going to win. Is it a campaign slogan? Is P2B going to win a campaign slogan? Is P2B going to win how to change Nigeria? Is P2B going to win how P2B is going to go? Come and tell us what is it that P2B is going to do. It is not about P2B is going to win. And P2B is winning. And so after winning, what happened? After P2B winning, what happened? We are not, you see, let me tell you, P2B is not even going to be the second person, not to even talk about the third person. Because what you people don't know is that you don't know Nigeria. So what am I talking? I am telling you the history of Fulani and how it has not changed. I am telling you that the history of Fulani since 1902, according to Lord Lugard here in this annual report, he said, Fulani system of rulership, Fulani system of governance has to do with Emir vested power on emir to take charge over land. It has to do with land. Land with capital letter. It is all about land. And what my job as the temporal spokesman of Biafra people is to research and speak the mind of Biafrans. So we cannot know all these things we know from the people advisory board, advisory committee, which we have now. People don't know about it. The government of Biafra, everything is settled. Now, after these things we know, somebody will come from somewhere who never suffered to read, somebody who never researched, somebody who don't have anything to offer will come from somewhere and say, oh, come and support P2B. Oh, come and vote for Nigeria. In fact, autopilot. We don't move. We don't change. Consistency personified. Not tomorrow. Somebody will say, sit at home for Anambra election. And then next tomorrow he cancel it. Without any reason. Without any reason. Because they have collected money. Not those who will be shouting, Onyendu, our leader, and they sold him in Kenya. They told Nigeria government where he is, where he was, and they collected money. And after collecting money, it didn't end there. They try everything to destroy Biafra. They even tried to change Biafra name. It didn't work. We stood our ground. So who Onyendu is talking about here? Onyendu is not talking about the criminals in Zama people. Zama people, they have changed from pole A to pole B, from pole B to pole C, and they have started killing our own. So Onyendu was talking about the autopilot. Because what he said here, these criminals it doesn't, it is not who they are.
Convince me to join new Nigerian movement. Who knows regarding those unshakable, indestructible. This movement is indestructible. Not by man.
And I want to tell them, for those who was in the last court, who was inside the court, you know what Onyendu said. I'm not going to say it here. But you know what came out from Onyendu's mouth inside the courtroom. Some of you know it. Some of you heard it. I don't know about Chenian. I'm sorry, Igbo. Unu chani ne no n'ime court. Nụrụ ihe so Onyendu n'ọnụ wee pụta. Unu akpachie ya. But guess what? I have it. I have the knowledge about it. I know what Onyendu, the comment Onyendu made in the court at a point. All of you didn't only court that day. They came outside and said the one he did not say. But everybody in the court know the comment Onyendu made.
That brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like the video, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much for always tuning in. I really do appreciate. Share the video and tell your friends about this platform, because the best thing or the best place for you to be is here. Turn on the bell icon so that whenever I drop a new boost like this, you'll be the first to notify. Thank you once again and remain blessed.